Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Well, I decided to start on another project, something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I finally got off my butt and I'm gonna start working on it. But what I have this vise right here that's rigged to go in the receiver on my truck, and I want to put it on somewhere on the back of this welding trailer, and I want to make it, strong enough where I can kind of torque down on it if I have to. It's kind of heavy as it is already. So what I've come up with, and this is channel, C-channel or whatever, it's a frame, but I have this square tubing right here, and I'm going to put it in the corner in here underneath, and then I have this receiver. A friend of mine still works at a body shop, and he had a wrecked trailer hitch that they threw away, we're gonna throw away. So I got the trailer hitch and cut this receiver part off of it, and then I have this piece of plate right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weld this in the corner, and then the plate's gonna go on that under here, and then we're gonna weld this receiver to it and see if that comes out strong enough to torque something down in this vise. So it ain't gonna fix itself. Well, I'm gonna get started on it. Well, that kind of put the flat on the trailer dolly. Okay, I ended up dragging my Lincoln 180 HD over here with flux core wire in it and welding this thing up, because laying under there with stick, I'm just not that good at stick yet, but I was able to reach that MIG gun up over that plate and weld it pretty good to that square tubing going across. So anyway, use flux core wire, and now I'm gonna go back over the easy parts with the stick. You know, why not do the easy stuff the easy way and do the hard stuff the easy way? Anyway, that's where I'm at. Just a little more welding and then some painting, and then I got another roll of this, or I got a roll of these decals at home. I'll bring some more decal back up here and replace what I run. Anyway, get back after it. Okay, I've humiliated myself enough with the 7018 sticker rods. Just kidding. My welds kind of suck. I mean, I'm not a professional, but it's fun. I enjoy doing it, but I think I got enough 7018 and flux core stuck on there to hold this now. I'm not planning on towing with this on. It'll come off and go in that toolbox up there if I, when I pull the trailer. But anyway, yeah, it's on there, and it's hot out here. I'm gonna go in the house now and get something cold to drink, and I'll see y'all later. Have a good one.